Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Gemini, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Gemini, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here. We have bear, birds, and stars. So Gemini, in your situation today, guys, you have a lot going on in your mind. You have many responsibilities and you have many burdens you need to take care of. So you are maybe for some of you, you are talking to your friends, taking their suggestions today. Maybe there is someone close to you. It may be your sibling, older sibling, or a parent or a friend older than you. So they are having honest intentions towards you, guys. They wish well for you. So you are talking to them, taking their guidance, support in your decisions. So you are maybe talking to them, deciding what needs to be done. So you are making some important choices with someone's help, guys. So maybe this may be someone from your family. Maybe it may be regarding something in your relationship. Maybe you are making some important decisions for your love. So you are asking this person suggestions and they are giving you. And this person is really concerned about you. They may have a particular way of telling you certain things. They may appear as someone very authoritative, and this may not go well with this person you love. They may not like this person. So they may see them as someone who is dominating, too bossy, and too over indulging in your affairs. So they may not like them. But I also see that you have a bright future. You have great hope and faith in that future. So things are beginning to align for yourself in your career situation and in your relationship, guys. You are seeing things going in a harmonious way, guys. Gemini. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It is ring. So you are making a deep commitment with this person, guys. Maybe you are planning to get engaged or get married. That may be the reason we saw with the previous cards. You are trying to make some important decision, or you are in the verge of making a very important decision today. So that may be it. You are maybe you are thinking of marriage or engagement. So you are making some important choice for your relationship, guys. Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. Stock. Again, a very positive card. So you are getting some new offers or opportunities in your career situation, guys. Things are falling into place, just like I said with the previous cards. You are going to see success and fortune in your career situation, guys, even in your personal life. Things are going in a very positive way, guys. Gemini. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals. So you can think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card here. This is your first card, second card, and third card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So now let's start with this card here. We will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have round and round. So this card just means that in our situation, the spiral quality of events, when something is not being integrated in our life, guys, maybe through our experience, the lessons, what we are supposed to learn, when we do not learn that, we go through that pattern again and again, guys. And this card is a reminder of that. Maybe you feel that in your circumstance today, how you are back here again, maybe in the same kind of situation. Maybe you would have had a similar experience before in your past. So you need not be surprised because you are finding yourself with the same kind of circumstance, with a same type of person, maybe. But you need to understand that in your situation today, what is happening is that universe is trying to guide you or bring that evolution in you, guys, bring that changes in you. That is the reason for things going in a particular way. So maybe you should learn your lessons, what you should not do. You should not do it now. Maybe what you did before, maybe some responses or the way you behaved, you should not repeat that now, guys. So that is what this card means. Maybe today you should handle your situation from a different perspective and respond in a different way. That way you will be able to break this cycle. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's keep this card aside. For those who have chosen the second card, guys, sorry guys, this is your second card and second crystal. This is the crystal for y'all and this is the card. So for those who have chosen this crystal, it is Archangel Uriel. So this angel, it guides us to have that clarity, have our own wisdom in any situation, guys. And this guidance is subtle and gentle but very powerful. So maybe we are trying to find solution in some areas. We feel that we are stuck, some kind of confusions or doubts are there, but the answers you seek are right within you. So this guidance, this card comes with the guidance that you will get your answers from within, maybe through some messages, or you may see certain signs in your situation. Something is going to help you out today. Something that is going to maybe you may find your answers within yourself, maybe through your intuition or some signs or something in your situation. So that way you will get clarity, guys. So maybe some confusions are there and it is all going to clear out. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, the second card. So let's see what is the third card, guys. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Seriphos green quartz. So that is the card here. It's a crystal spirit card. So sometimes we are just forcing ourselves towards something we desire. We are working hard, making efforts. But today we have come to an acceptance that what is not supposed to come will never come towards us, or what is not supposed to change will never change, at least not for this moment. So you have your clarity today, and honestly, you know what you can change and what you cannot change in this relationship. So that way you have a clear idea, guys. So you will be able to work with that other person, co-create your dreams and goals, what you desire and what you deserve. So you need to be present, be here this moment in your life today. Maybe if you are sad, you can cry. It's not going to change anything, guys. But you should not forget that universe is your friend and it is guiding you in a particular way, and you are going to feel so much love and so much happy, and you need not worry that this is the end of things. Maybe certain things are not going up to expectation, but you need not worry. Things will change for the better, and there are good things waiting for you, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.